Hello friends, today I will talk about quick revision batch of CA final SCM and PE, that is strategic cost management and performance evaluation. Dear student friends, I have received numerous requests for recording a quick revision batch of CA final SCM and PE subject. Lot of requests because there is a lot of demand for this. I know it is needed. It is needed, I know, for quickly revising the entire syllabus a day before the exam. So I know that such a product will help you. I just want to update you about the difficulties faced by me and the progress of work in this direction. Why I am recording this video for you is just to have patience, give me some time, understand my point of view, what difficulties I am facing and to what extent I have progressed, right? Just to brief you about it. The suggestions which I have received from students for recording this quick revision batch. Now let us see what suggestions I have received. Some students want me to cover only theory of all the chapters in quick revision batch. Only theory part. Some students suggested to solve the important questions of each chapter in this revision batch. Some students want me to discuss only case studies in this batch because they might be finding case studies as a difficult topic. Few students were of the opinion that I should cover the latest exam papers and RTP, only this much, in this quick revision batch. Some students want that I should cover only new questions, new case studies and amendments, if any, made by the institute in the module. They don't want the matter covered in the regular batch to be repeated again in the revision batch. It means some students are of the opinion that cover only new things. Don't repeat the same thing because we have already seen it in the regular batch. These are just few suggestions which I am discussing with you. Majority students wish that I should cover, majority students please remember, that I should cover everything given in the syllabus in just few hours in such a manner that they should be able to clear the exam with minimum efforts. It means magic pill. They want me to cover everything in a very short time, right? In the quick revision batch. Now, my prayer to God, all these days of lockdown period, I am praying to the Almighty to provide me the necessary strength and courage to fulfill all your expectations. Because your expectations are huge and I am an ordinary human being. So I am praying to God that provide me the strength that I can come out with a product which can fulfill all your expectations. The clinical trial of such a magic vaccine is still going on. Your expectations should be fulfilled in very less time. That magic vaccine I have to create for you, right? So the clinical trial is still going on. It is in the first phase at present. So you may assume that it is in the first phase of making. The moment I find such a vaccine that just one dose can help you to clear the exam with minimum efforts and cost, I will communicate it to you on the same channel, right? So allow me some time, right? It has to go through different trials. Wish me best luck for this work. Please pray for me and wish me best luck for this adventure. For me, this would be an adventure, right? To cover everything in nutshell in a very few hours, right? So that you find it crispy. So please pray for me to the God so that I am successful in this venture. Till till the time I come out with such a product. Please remember, I am trying, no doubt about it. I am not bluffing, but I am trying on it. I am working on it. But till that time, I can recommend you an immunity booster dose, right? It means I'll give you some suggestions in between what to do, right? So I'm recommending you an immunity booster dose till the time I come out with a magic vaccine for you. And what is this? The name of this immunity booster is key renewal option. Some of you might be aware of this option. Some of you may not be aware of this option. So I'll just discuss it in case if you're not aware of what this key renewal option is. The students of my regular batch, the students who have studied with me in the regular batch, either live or through pen drive or cloud version, that is not a problem. But most of you must have studied with me in the regular batch. So for them this could be useful. They may opt for a key renewal option for their existing version. Please remember, this option I am giving to those students who are already studying with me or have studied through me in live batch or through pen drive or through cloud version. So this is for existing students and for their existing version. Existing version means either some of you could have viewed version 2 or some of you could be viewing version 3. So for any existing version it will be applicable. And how this and when this option will work? Only if the validity of their existing product has either expired or the views have exhausted. Right? Whichever happens earlier, the product expires. Either the validity period or the views, whichever is earlier. So if you are already a student of regular batch and using either version 2 or 3, and if that validity or view has expired, then only this option will work. Which option? Key renewal option. I'll explain it a little in case if you don't know. How to do the key renewal? First of all, you'll have to visit our website, because this option is available only on our website, and the website is in my name only, that is carakeshagrawal.in. So you'll have to visit that website because you will not get key renewal option anywhere else. It is only available on our website. Now once you go to the website, scroll down on the home page and select the course category. There are course categories on the home page if you scroll down. Now once you select the course category, proper course category, you will find inside two options. One is 3 days key renewal option, one is 1 month key renewal option. This 3-day key renewal option is designed for those who want to revise the subject just before the exam. That is a day which you get, holiday before your next paper. So those who want to revise it just a day before or just few days before the exam, for them 3 days key renewal option is good. Those who want to revise almost the whole subject, right, as per their convenience, they may choose this 1 month key renewal option. Those who want to revise almost everything. And these key renewal options are available at a nominal price for the existing students of my regular batch. It's at a very nominal price. You can check it on our website. Now just buy a suitable product online. Means either 3 days or 1 month key renewal, whichever you like or whichever is convenient or suitable for you. Just buy that suitable product online. And please provide your correct email and phone number while buying that product. Right? Please ensure that you are providing a correct email and phone number while entering that order. Wait for 1 or 2 working days for processing it. Just have some patience, wait for a day or two, because our staff is busy dispatching the orders on first in first out basis. So just give them some time. Our staff will contact you on your email or mobile. They'll contact you and will ask for your existing product serial key, the existing product of your regular batch. Therefore, I said this product is renewal option is applicable only for existing students. So they will ask for your existing product key, serial key, which you are already using or you have used. Then the authorized person, the person who is authorized, technical person, will carry out the key renewal on our server, those who has the access of the server, and will intimate you about it that your key is renewed. Now you need to first log in again. You must have already logged out, so you have to log into this RioPlay software right? Actually, and then you have to log in using your that own password on that software and try to play a lecture. Actually, after the login to that Rio Play, you have to just try and play any lecture from your existing product. Any lecture from your existing product. Just try to play. It may give you the message that it has expired. So no doubt, no problem. After that, you have to enter that serial key again. You have to enter your same serial key. Same serial key, please remember, of your existing product. So once you start playing the lecture, enter the same serial key and it will give you the option to activate. It will tell you the option to activate. So put the same serial key, like you want to run the lecture, you want to see the lecture as you have already done. Any lecture you just try to see. Enter the serial key if it asks, the software asks, and there will be a button for activation. So you just activate it. The product will get activated again the moment you press that activate button, and its validity will start from your activation date, and not from the date of purchase. So it is your choice when to activate. Suppose you buy that 1 month key renewal today, but you activate it after 10 days using this procedure. You have to log into that software, run the lecture, right? And then the system will prompt you to activate it by entering the same serial key. So the moment you activate it, the validity will start from there. Please remember that 3 days validity or 1 month validity will start from the date of your activation, right? So doesn't matter if your team takes some days to give you the confirmation. It is not that those days are lost. The day you activate, from there the validity starts and it will be reflected there. Now, what is the advantage of this key renewal option? There is a flexibility of viewing. The best part of the key renewal option is that all the lectures of regular batch are activated again for that limited period, and you can watch any lecture of your choice. See, the problem which I faced from the student suggestion, different students gave different suggestions, because some wanted me to cover practical questions, some wanted me to cover only theory, some wanted me to cover only case studies, some wanted me to cover only amendments. Some were weak in some of the chapters, they want only that chapter. So it's very difficult to generalize this. Different students' expectations are different. So best part is your all lectures will get reactivated for that limited time period. So you can watch any lecture of your choice. If you want marginal costing chapter to be revised, that is chapter 6, you can revise that. If you want standard costing chapter to be revised, you can revise that. You can only study the go through the case studies, whatever you like, or wherever you are finding difficulty. Actually, that flexibility is the best part of key renewal option. So here the choice goes to you. And if you remember, you have the list of all the lectures and the contents covered in each lecture. If not, it is available on our website. Lecture wise list of contents, that in lecture 1A what I have covered, in lecture 1B what I have covered, lecture 2A, 2B, everything detailed. So from the detailed list, lecture wise list, you can select the lecture which you want to cover again, right? Where you are finding difficulty. This is the best part of key renewal option, my dear friends, right? The flexibility which it provides of viewing. So this provides the flexibility to revise whatever you want, theory, practical questions, case studies, difficult topics, etc. That's the best part. Now, as you have already studied from these video lectures, because these are the same lectures which will get revised, renewed. If you have already watched version 2, that version 2 will get revised. If you have watched version 3, that will get revised. So as you have already studied from these video lectures, and you have the solutions also with you, right? It means now you don't have to write it, you have to only revise it. So you can revise more syllabus in lesser time, right? You can do a little fast forward, increase the speed, and you can try to cover more syllabus in the same limited time, because you have to just revise the syllabus and you already have done it earlier, you already have the solutions. That's the best part of key renewal option, my dear friends. Now, use of CA Inter quick revision videos. I have recently uploaded some quick revision lectures of CA Inter on YouTube. Some of these lectures might be useful to you. So those who wish to revise the basic concepts, especially the students who have not studied with me in intermediate, but they are lacking in the, and therefore they are lacking in the basic conceptual background. So they can make use of this CA Intermediate quick revision Please remember, it is available on YouTube. So if you want to revise the basics only, then it will be useful. Basics of like costing, cost sheet, overheads topic, activity based costing, marginal costing, standard costing, budgetary control. These topics were there in the CA intermediate syllabus also, but at a basic level, fundamental level. So those who wish to revise these may use our quick revision video lectures of CA intermediate. Now you will find these lectures on our YouTube channel. These lectures are already uploaded on our YouTube channel, and the name of the YouTube channel is again the same name, my name, that is CA Rakesh Agarwal, Pune, India. You go to that channel, you may subscribe that channel, you will find the whole list of all these revision video lectures. If I mistake not, there are around 12 video lectures of this quick revision of CA intermediate, please remember, but some of these lectures might be useful to you. You may just try. Now, these will be specially useful to those students who didn't study CA inter costing with me. For them, it will be specially useful because using the same logic I am teaching at CA final. So there will be some type of continuity. So you can use these lectures also, they are already available on YouTube. Now make use of amendment notes. Now what is this? Those students who had purchased version 2 earlier should download the PDF copy of amendment batch 2 and 3 notes from student corner section of our website. It's free of cost. You can download, if you want, you can get it printed. Version 2 batch students will download two things, amendment batch 2 notes as well as amendment batch 3 notes, right? Actually, amendment batch contains the RTPs, mock test papers, recent exam papers, and changes if any made by the institute in the module. Actually, the subject doesn't change much, but whatever changes I have noticed in the institute's study material, those also I will cover in the amendment notes. Now, those who had purchased version 3, of my regular batch should download only amendment batch 3 notes. Only amendment batch 3. Please remember, on our website you will find amendment batch 1, 2 and 3. 3 things. For version 2, you don't need amendment batch 1, that is already covered. So the version 2 students will download amendment batch 2 and 3. And version 3 students, in version 3 I have already covered amendment batch 2. So they need not download amendment batch 1 and 2. They should download only amendment batch 3. So version 3 students will download only amendment batch 3 from the website, PDF copy, and get it printed. I would advise you to get it printed better, so it will remain with you. It contains questions and solutions in my style. So it will help you to update also. These amendment batch notes will help you to update as well as revise. It will help you for both. You will get updated as well as the syllabus will get revised. So it will help you for doing both according to me. So just try that. Now, when should we expect quick revision of this CA final? That question still remains in your mind. That give us the time. Now, as I told you earlier, the work is in progress. My dear friends, I am sincerely working on it. Now, you may say that how you could upload the CA intermediate quick revision so quickly? Why not CA final? My dear friends, CA intermediate quick revision batches I had conducted earlier also, and I had the PPT presentation ready with me. So I had to just make some changes and get it recorded. So it was little easier for me. For CA final, I don't have such quick revision of new syllabus recorded anytime earlier. So I have to start from zero. It will become zero based budgeting for me. I'll have to start from zero. And as I told you, the students' expectation is so huge that I am finding it difficult to cover everything in it. So I have to think a lot what should be kept in the quick revision and what should be dropped in that quick revision, to what extent I can cover problems or theory. Everything is not possible, my dear friends, otherwise that quick revision will become same as regular batch. So I have to cut short something, but at the same time I have to touch upon all the important aspects. So I have to think a lot because I have to design it afresh. So the work is in progress, my dear friends. I need to first decide the contents, as I told you, the contents of this magic vaccine, right? Magic vaccine called quick revision for you, right? So I'm just working on the contents, what to include, what to exclude, and then do the clinical trial to see whether it is cost effective and low duration batch, right? And in this pandemic situation, I don't have an option to go to the classroom and record it. There are no students in front of me. And you know my regular batches are recorded in the classroom. I was teaching on the board. So without that facility and without moving out of the house, I'll have to think carefully and present on PPT and get it recorded, right? Like the way I have done it for CA intermediate also, I have done that way. So I'm thinking on the same lines. And I'll have to see to it that whether that trial is successful or not. So I'll have to prepare the PPT also after the contents are decided and then get it recorded. So I have to do this research work, and please remember I have to do this research work in addition to handling my regular patients. Here patients means my regular students who have already purchased my products and their queries have to be solved. My business administration has to be handled from sitting from home. So I have got other administrative work also. Sometimes there is some household work also. Anyway, you are not concerned about it, but then I have to fulfill my other responsibilities also, right? And continue doing the research, which I am doing already, right? It will take some time with some restrictions, limited resources, no help of staff. I'm trying to do my level best, right? So hence, due to these difficulties, I cannot promise you the launch date right now, right? I cannot promise you the launch date because the moment I give you some date, you will start asking me, sir, whether it is ready, whether it is ready, whether it is ready. So better, instead of giving you a promise and then breaking the promise, it's better I prefer not to give you the promise, but I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Pray to God that I'll come out with something good, right? Something good as a quick revision, which may satisfy majority of your expectations, may not be able to satisfy all your expectations, but majority of your expectations. A piece of advice, right? In the meantime, as a teacher, every teacher loves to give a piece of advice. So please take some piece of advice from me. Nowadays, there is a growing tendency to depend on faculty for everything. Now, few students, may not be all students, but few students, they wish that once they have purchased a product, it means now till exam hall, the faculty should be doing the hand holding. So they want to depend, over dependence on faculty for everything almost. I'm surprised when few CA final students call me or text me just a day before the exam and ask me about what to study a day before the exam. Right? It's very difficult what to tell you to study a day before the exam now, right? They also ask me the last minute tips, right? Give us something, some mantra, some secret that will get through the exam. I'm unable to develop such last minute most important questions for ICAI exam. My dear friends, I'm unable to do that. The syllabus is too vast. A lot of varieties are there. Now, it may be possible for your BCom, MCom exams, but not for CA exams. This is what I'm of the opinion, that it is not possible. I've heard some of the faculty might be doing it. They may give you some important question, 20-25 questions, out of which few questions appear. I wish I could have done that, right? If other faculty are able to give you the paper or important questions of the attempt in which you are going to appear, I think that is the best faculty you should study from. Right? If it is possible for them to give you the important question only for your attempt, whatever May or November attempt. So I am very sorry, my friends. I am very sorry. Please excuse me. I am unable to do this magic. I am unable to give the last minute tip. Right? I want you not to be over dependent on faculty, but to be self dependent. That is what my wish is. I may sound wrong, but that is what I wish. Instead, I would advise you to keep cool during the exam period. Keep cool, be confident about what you have studied during the exam period. This is what I can tell you a day before the exam. I can't tell you study this, don't study this. Anything can appear in the exam. Even sometimes the exam paper surprises us also, right? I always used to say a dialogue in the classroom while teaching in the regular batch that it is more difficult to predict the exam paper of the institute than predicting the share market. This is what I used to say in a lighter note. Now, you are the future advisors of Indian economy, my dear friends. Please keep faith in your own ability. Develop self-confidence. This is long-term advice, my dear friends. Right? Keep faith in your own ability. You are tomorrow's advisors. You have to carry a lot of responsibility tomorrow. And reduce over dependence on faculty. Now, it may be difficult in the beginning. It may be difficult in the beginning. See, if someone gives you ready-made everything cooked, naturally you would love it. But you will never learn the cooking. So I would say, keep faith in yourself. Have self-confidence to reduce the dependence on faculty. I am confident that you will not just pass the CA exam, but you will also shoulder the huge responsibility of this great country. So you have to shoulder the great responsibility of this country, right? You are very respected professionals. Chartered accountants are very respected professionals, and they have to shoulder a lot of responsibility. So please reduce the dependence on faculty and be self-dependent. Have faith in your own ability. Wish you all the best, my dear friends. This is what I wanted to share with you today.